Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to generate your profile on Linky chat with character AI application. So you can see this is the interface of Linky application. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the me option right bottom corner on your screen. So I'm just going to tap on this and then tap here like pencil icon, this one. Simply tap on the pencil and you will see two options, upload and generate. So if you want to generate your profile picture using this application, simply tap on the generate. Then you can upload the photos, like which type of photos you are going to attach, but this time it's optional. I'm just create king with riding horse style, horse fighting moment. Actually I'm not good at prompt, so you can use, and after that simply tap on the generate. So it takes few moment to generate it. Just wait a second. The more you give the good prompt, the more you'll get the good things. So you can see it looks pretty one, but I said king, but they give this result. So simply tap on the you have to choose. They're still loading, so you have to wait, and after that tap on the next button, then your picture will be uploaded. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.